Hi, and in this video I'm going to look at a trading robot called Forex Cyborg, and this is a rather interesting trading robot which is currently ranked number 1 out of 3,500 other systems on a well-respected broker platform. This trading robot isn't available on the MetaTrader marketplace, and it can trade 18 currency pairs on the 15-minute time frame. That's pretty impressive, and I'll show you the backtest results later in the video. This has a 3-year live track record going back to 2017 and backtests from 2010, over 10 years. Now this trading robot isn't cheap, however, with 2 tiers. Gold is 499 euros, which is about $590 US, and gives you access to trade 1 live account. And premium is 599 euros, which is around $700 US, which gives you access to 3 live accounts. However, its price is comparable to systems on the MetaTrader marketplace. So what I find most interesting and validating about this trading robot is that it's currently number 1 on a Darwinex platform out of 3,500 other systems for March 2021. Darwinex is one of the most respected MetaTrader platforms out there, and even if it were in the top 10, it is worth a look. But being currently number 1 and also having held this position in the past makes it very, very interesting. Darwinex also have a regulated asset management arm to their business, and they have allocated 216,000 euros of funding to the Forex Cyborg account. And they've been on Darwinex since April 2017, and although not every month has been positive, overall year after year they've been positive, and so far it has returned 436%. Drawdown is high at 35%, but that's because they've gone high risk, but anyone can go higher or lower risk. And they've also got real accounts across 4 different brokers. They're all positive, but they do vary, which you would expect with different broker platforms because every broker does differ in terms of spread, executions, etc. You can see each one from the links. And now we're going to have a look at the MyFxbook page for Forex Cyborg. So I want to show you the author's MyFxbook for Forex Cyborg. You can see this is the stats. You can see it's been running from July 2017. It is a little bit choppy, but it does keep going up, and we're almost at all-time highs again. It's made a gain of 300%. Drawdown is pretty high at 29%, almost 30%. But what I also like to look at is this middle panel. So you can see it's made 2,863 trades. It's made over 6,700 pips in total. And the other thing that I find quite interesting is if you go to the summary, you can look at the breakdown of all the trades against each Forex pair, and this can give you an indication which ones you can select for yourself to use. So for example, what I would do is I'll pick all the ones which ended up in profit, and probably not use these ones. So I wouldn't trade the euro pound, pound Swissy, or pound dollar, because these ones were loss, or USD or dollar Swiss. Take those off and keep the others. So these are the ones which you can do historically. From here you can also look at past history. So from here you can look at sort of the average pips. So they can see that it was all taking very small pips. Also a stop loss here, or a stop has been hit, 8 pips, which is quite low, 23 there. It gives you an indication as to what kind of take profits versus stops you can expect from this. And also the other thing is how many trades you can be seeing. So I'm sorting by close, then let's talk about open date. So you click on each of these from the beginning. 29th at 2, 3 on a, so it gives you an indication how frequently this trades as well. So that's important for some people to know how busy this trading robot is. The other thing which I want to show you is that the author has put this also on another broker platform. You can see that if you go to the bottom here, he's put it on a broker called Square Pro. So if you click on that, you can see he's also got the similar gain, except the drawdown is a lot lower. It's a lot more smoother looking. So this does perform better on this broker as opposed to Darwinex. And once again, you can look at this. You look at, I think it is the same ones which were losing. This one here, I remember these two as well. I think GBP CAD was winning on the previous one, but it just gives you an indication as to what they do on the various different brokers. I mean, each broker is slightly different because the data fees are different, spreads are different. This is very useful too, so you can look at the monthly performance. On average, you can see what it's there are losses obviously, as with all trading systems, but yeah, generally the gains when it's winning are pretty good. 2020, 2021. Let's go back to the original Darwinex one. We can do the same thing. So this one actually has been running longer, 2017. 10%, 5%, that's 15% loss there. But you can see every year, most of the months are winning, more winning months than losing months. Quite big, 27% loss, January 2019. But all but then you get every month is a winner, and then you get to October, you get a small loss, and then the winner again and another loss. 2020, just like that. 2021, January had a loss, but February, March looked like they're winners. So you can use this just to sort of gauge if this is suitable for you. Look at how this moves. Is this something that you could be interested in? So all these links are within the YouTube description box. You can have a look at this yourself. This is all live trading, and this will help you make a decision if this is a trading robot which you could be potentially interested in. So what do we know about this trading robot? It's multi-currency, so trades 18 currency pairs. It trades them in the pre-Asian session, so this is the New York close time between 6:30 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. GMT time. So it's achieving these results without the use of grid or martingale trading methods, which are dangerous trading systems. Each trade is its own independent single trade with dynamic stops and take profits, and we're seeing 70% win rates on average. All the back tests for all pairs look similar. I haven't done all 18 pairs, but they all look like this, which is pretty remarkable. In summary, the positive live results and its top rank with Darwinex shows that this has huge potential. As I mentioned previously, Darwinex is a platform for serious retail traders, and ranking top out of 3,500 is a major achievement. Unlike other scalper trade systems, this one works across many brokers. Having been running since 2017 on live accounts and still performing well after all this time makes me feel that this is a great longer term trading robot. The backtests also go back 10 years. If you like the look of this trading robot, you can find the link to the genuine seller's website through our link. Unfortunately, there are quite a few fake sellers out there selling a different product, so be careful. I'll also post this link in the video description box below. And of course, I really like the look of this trading robot, and I've got my copy. I've connected it to MyFxbook so you can follow it through the link on the screen. Of course, you'll find this also in the video description box below. And that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. I thought it would be good to see what else is out there outside of the MetaTrader marketplace, and I feel I found a really promising one with Forex Cyborg. Please do let me know if you've heard or know of any other interesting ones so I can put them on a list. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at our next video.